Hi, my name is Neeraj. I'm the founder of Madhav Games. Today, I want to discuss why I like to talk about game business more than development process. Very few people talk about the business side of things in game development, but I like to think about how we can monetize our games or apps. Let me first tell you about what techniques I follow for my in-house games, like showing few ads or sometimes no ads for a few months. So this is important. When we show few ads, automatically game retention goes higher. I never heard this technique, especially from other game developers. And the business is equally important than other things, like you need to know how much projects cost and how much time it will take. If we spend months of time without thinking, development will never stop and we will keep adding functionalities. We need to keep in mind how we are going to sell this or monetize this and how much time it will take. Business things should be clear, then you can use your creativity and focus on your project. For example, for our in-house projects we try to spend not more than a month. We sometimes increase time, but mostly we try to make in-house project in small time frame. If we keep game business before development, we can get more benefit. Like one of our projects, we thought in the starting we will only target mobile, iOS and Android, but when we analyzed this more, we got the idea of doing WebGL version, and that helped us doubling our profits. At the same time, we diversified our risk, like WebGL audiences different than mobile audience. So even one audience not able to find your app, others will too. That's why I always think the business aspect of game development before even developing project. But people do this in reverse, like they first develop, then they think of business. But I think if we clear our mind and make simple business method, like how we will monetize, where we will publish, it will benefit us. Thanks for watching my video. Please let me know what you think about the game business and what you keep in mind first, game business or development.